What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Now today I have got another pipe tobacco review for you. I've been working away behind the scenes, really trying to perfect my pipe smoking abilities and keeping it lit and being able to just really appreciate the nuances of the flavors involved. Today I've got myself a bowl of American Blends Coffee Caramel, or CC. And this is a beautiful mix of Virginia and Cavendish tobaccos. It's quite heavily cased, so it's sweet in the jar. Quite a thick, sort of coarse cut as well to it. So if you will find it's slightly moister than a lot of the American Blends tobacco. So if you do want to let it dry out, by all means, you can go straight ahead and put it in your bowl. But that comes down to personal preference. In terms of flavors, beautiful coffee notes. That caramel kind of just dances around, but that coffee is the more strong of the two flavors there. This goes without saying, this is the perfect morning with your coffee bowl of tobacco. Beautiful, rich, deep, dark flavors. It's a cool smoke as well. Thick plumes of smoke. Really impressive. I'm very impressed with this one. I've worked my way through most of the American Blends, and this is the one I find myself keep coming back to. Absolutely beautiful. Available online as always at C.Gars.com. That's C.G.A.R.S.com. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and let me know what I should be trying in my next bowl. Until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.